Hey, thanks for joining us today. Welcome back, and if you're new, my name is Kaylee. Today we're gonna do a Sephora Play unboxing. So, this is for the month of March, and don't forget, if you already get yours, or if you're gonna be new to it, that there's this little card here, and if you purchase anything for like for this month of March, I would take this into the store and I get points. So don't forget about that. And here's all the loveliness. And look at this, it's kind of heavy. I like the color of the bag. I'm into blue today and lately, can you tell? I'm getting a sore throat. So this first is Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. I have never tried this. I'm super excited for that one. So Sephora Play, you get like 4 to 5 samples, and you always get, no, you don't always get a perfume. I thought you did. Most of the time you do. Okay, so anywho, we got 5, 6. Okay, 6. So, like I said, you get 4 to 5 plus the perfume. So, no perfume, but we got 6. So, we got that. This little guy. Bobbi Brown Illuminating Moisture Balm. It says Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. I'm excited about that. I love me some Bobbi Brown. Okay. IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. That's gonna be cool. Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask for hair, I believe. Yes, gratify your hair with rich, high potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. So yeah, and this whole thing is like $10 a month. So all these little samples. This is a setting spray. Ooh, setting mist, broad spectrum SPF. We're gonna try it because I don't have setting spray on yet. Last but not least, Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. I seen it was purple in here, and I'm like, my brain went to, is it a purple liner? But I highly doubt that. It says Intense Bulk. Let's see how this little guy works. Wait. Okay. It doesn't feel like it's the spraying great, but it got SPF 50. I got some on my lips, and that's Sephora Play. So yeah, I'm really excited about the hair products. You get to go into the thing in Sephora, like the little profile, and you fill out like what hair type you have, what your skin and hair type are. So not everybody's Sephora Plays are identical, so that's pretty cool to know. So if you like this and you want to see future unboxings and different stuff, like get ready with me's and health and fitness and other cool stuff like that, family stuff, and animal, I have 2 huskies and ducks and roosters. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you later. And oh, go ahead and comment down there what you're excited for, if you got one, or if you're interested, what you've been up to, because it's been a good week since I've talked to you guys. So what's new with you? And I've missed you, and I'll talk to you later. And check me out on all the other social media, because we could talk every single day there, you know? Like, I'm just like a message away. So don't hesitate. I'm here for you. See you later.